there's a probability of a possible correction or reversal on a weekly because of this candle. Kailan natin masasabi na failed? Kasi nga walang guaranteed di ba? Hindi natutuloy, wala nang reversal. Tuloy pa rin, bull run pa rin tayo. We need to take out itong high nitong candle na to, which is around 123,000. Take out and close above it. Pag nagawa na po natin yan, okay, kalimutan nyo na yung topping tail na yan pag nagawa natin. So remember, last week, we showed also, sa daily chart, meron din tayong topping tail. Sabi din natin sa inyo, yan yung kailangan niyang i-break, di ba? Gumawa pa tayo ng Fibo dito. Kailangan niyang tagusin itong retracement na yan, paakyat, yung 120K. Sabi natin, we need to close and trade above 120K. Okay? And we haven't last week. What can we expect sa price ng Bitcoin this week or in the immediate short term? If you are using our TPI trading system, you expect a support sa daily chart dito sa blue line. Kung tumama dyan, this is around 114,000. Okay, plus minus, pwedeng tagusin, pwede magka-shadow ulit, magka-weak ulit sa ilalim, pero magko-close po above. But this one needs to hold. So yung immediate short-term support using RTPI trading system. Usually po, kapag po tumatama dyan, may mga bounce yan. So usually, likelihood na magbabounce. If mag-fail, hindi na mag-hold, ito yung strong support na nakikita natin, which is the SR flip area at around 111,000. Itong area po na yan. Dito, most likely may talbog kasi ito po yung previous resistance na binasag natin. So this is a breakout retest. So from there, let's see kung ano ma-form niya, ano gagawin niya, take out niya na ba to, or we will just consolidate 10 to 120, pwedeng ganyan yung consolidation niya, or pwedeng ito, pwedeng 115 to 120.